So what's going on, guys? This is ZXD here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a auto sorter. People seem to be generally chaotic on their islands when it comes to sorting items. At least I was, and I know a lot of people that are. Well, with this auto sorter you don't have to worry about that. It saves up a lot of time if you want to do it manually, or just not at all, and it's just generally pretty cool looking. It's also actually really easy to make, and today I'll be showing you how to make it. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna need some redstone, you're gonna need redstone torches, you're gonna need stone bricks, chests and trap chests, hoppers, comparators, and repeaters. If you don't know the recipes of these two, they're online. They're not hard to find. Okay, so what you have to do is I'll just make a quick, small one. So what you have to do, like, if this was the ground, you'd have to place one block over here, one block over here, like that. It's like a T, and then there's a little block over there. If you have done that, the first thing you gotta do is place redstone like this. Then you pick a repeater and you put that repeater like this, so that it's facing towards this block, this one. If you have done that, then you have to place a redstone torch over here, and then you have to place a comparator facing the two against this and the one going back. Okay. Now, all you gotta do is you gotta place your chests like this. Once you've done that, you gotta do this. Crouch while placing hoppers inside the chests. Once you've done this, you want to get a stone stair. And you want to place that stone stair like so. Or, well, I prefer like this because then you can't really see anything over there. You can place a block here. Then you crouch, click to the block and destroy that block. The hopper has to be like that, otherwise it won't work. The final step of this all is placing, it's kind of hard to show you on one, but I could try to. Yeah, that works. Okay, so you place a hopper going over there. Okay, this is the basic pattern you have to follow. I'll quickly make a few more rows so that I can show you the auto sorting of it all. Okay, so I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay, so if you're done, you should have something looking like this. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to get a chest. This is gonna be the one that fills, or like the one that you put the items into to let the auto sorter do its work. I just quickly gonna extend over towards here. For example, this chest is your input chest. You can build however you want to. You can edit it or do whatever you want to, but I'm just showing a quick example. And this side would be your output. You can build the output how low you want to have it, but I'm just gonna do it like this, like at eyesight level. It's easier to see. Oh. Like this. This is the basic of the auto sorter. Now what you want to do is you want to get the item you want to sort. So for example, I want to sort a trap chest redstone, and an item frame. You want to place those items where you want them in this one, in the one that's facing towards nothing, the one above the chest. Then you do the same with every single one of the sorters. If you have done that, you want to get a item that you're never gonna be putting into the auto sorter. In vanilla or like in Minecraft, in normal Minecraft, you are able to use an anvil to name items so that they don't stack with other items. But in SkyBlock Hypixel, you can't do this. So what you want to do is you want to get an item that you can sort. Like for example a bucket or anything that's like, it has to be stackable. Because otherwise it won't work. But it's gotta be an item that you're never gonna put into the auto sorter. So for example, I'm gonna use trap chest as an example. So what you wanna do is you wanna get that item, you wanna spread it out onto the 4 other ones. So like this. Is that trap chest? That's trap chest. I'll replace that with a chest from now on, just to make an example. So if you have done this, you should be ready. And I'll show you how it works. So for example, the chests, the redstone, and the item frames will go through. I'll also put comparators, stone bricks, the stone brick stairs in to prove that this works. So I will be back when it has fully sorted everything out. Okay, so once it's done, it should be so that redstone should be in the redstone part, the item frame should be in the item frame part, and the chest will be in the chest spot. You'll see that there are less chests, less item frames, and less redstone in than I put in earlier, and that has a reason. If you go back to this one, it will say 41, and this is because there needs to be 41 in there. Like at 42, it will start pulling out the things above 41. If you do it with buckets, it's a little bit less, but you can't really do it better than the one with the buckets. So there's always gonna be a few items in the hoppers itself, but it will auto sort. That's a plus. Well, all the items that went into the proper chest, and the things that aren't in the auto sorter went into here, because they haven't have their auto sorter place. So this is basically how you build a auto sorter. You can make this as long as you want. Just follow the same pattern. If you want to screenshot this, then screenshot, because it's not that hard to build. You just gotta repeat the same process over and over and over. So I hope this helped some of you out. And this is really, it's like a time saver. It's worth the build, and it's cool looking. You could just make your base look cool with it. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, then just drop a like or a comment or subscribe. Do whatever you want. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!